which we can literally do in about these few minutes that are remaining here. Okay, so this is a financial math question, right? And it is exciting because it covers both grade 11 and grade 12 concepts, but we want to get to the grade 12 part. We'll just do the grade 11 piece that is also examinable in grade 12. It's from a grade 12 past paper, and it's a question that was sent to us by Tsepiso, right? Thank you very much, Tsepiso, for sending in this question. It reads as follows. It says, determine how long in years, right? Find how long in years it will take for the value of a motor vehicle, right, to decrease to 25% of its original value. If the rate of depreciation based on the reducing balance method is 21% per annum. Oh, that's a mouthful, right? You guys are scared of this one because it's word problems. But don't worry. Find the keywords, find them, and then iron them out. I promise you will be able to have the answer to this. So let's write that down. Determine how long. So I'm going to write that. Okay. Determine how long, which means find how long, right? That's the first thing that is important to me, that stands out. If I've got markers, I just highlight that. That's the first bullet point I'm taking, okay? In years, okay, it will take for the value of the motor vehicle to decrease to, okay, there's another way. Decrease to 25% of original value, okay? This is actually very important. Okay, the next bullet point here, if the rate of depreciation based on reducing balance, here's another word, reducing balance is another key word I see here. And the last thing they're saying here is this thing is going to reduce at 21% per annum. Okay, no complications, right? So what does each one of these things mean to us? First bullet point, determine how long. What does that mean? That means find n, okay? Decrease to 25% of the original. Okay, I'm going to come to that. So this is what I call a pain question, right? If you're not familiar with pain, well, pain looks like this. This is actually a typical pain question, right? Pain. Let me use small letter I because you guys are familiar with that. It's a typical pain question. We're looking for all the variables of interest, right? The p-value is the original, the principal value of this vehicle. We were not told that. Right, because we were not told what that is, I'm going to call it X, right? And then A is what this thing is going to be later. They say it's going to decrease to 25% of the original. So if the original value was X, it means in future, it's going to be 25% of X, right? What is 25% of X? 25% of X, and the interest was given to us as 21%, which is 0.21, and we're looking for N, right? So I'm going to be silly and say we know that because they said reducing balance, the correct formula is A is P into 1 minus I to the power of N is the exponential one, right? We are looking for N. Let's substitute what we know. We know that 25% of X is 0.25X equals to P is X, 1 minus 0.21, that's 21% to the power of N. We're looking for that, right? So call your calculator and ask it, what is 1 minus 0.21? It's giving you 0.79. So first of all, over X, that is gone. I've got 0.25 equals to 1 minus 0.21, right, which is going to give you 0.79. Okay, 0.79 to the power of N. Now here is a problem. We are looking for N, which is an exponent. How do you work out unknown exponent? You log in. So log in on the left-hand side. What you do on the left, you need to also do on the right. Log in on the right-hand side to the power of N. After logging in, you can then download the N. You're going to have N log 0.79 equals to log 0.25. And then you divide both sides by log 0.79. You divide this side by log 0.79. That is gone. So the number of years that this thing is going to take is going to be, fraction. You can actually have log 0.25 close bracket over log 0.79. If you close bracket, you get a 5.88. So 5.88, which is approximately 6 years. So I'm going to say approximately 6 years. Right. So yes, this is actually what you would need to do if you had to figure out how long it will take for something to happen if you're dealing with financial mathematics. Right. So thank you very much for joining us. And remember, this is mathematics, and we just brought this question has just brought us to the end of the show.